Have you ever wondered how cells communicate with each other to coordinate the myriad of life-sustaining functions? Welcome to the fascinating world of signaling pathways, the biological equivalent of a cellular communication network. Picture a signaling pathway as a molecular relay race. The race begins when a signaling molecule, known as a ligand, binds to a receptor on the cell surface or within the cell. These ligands can take many forms, from hormones to neurotransmitters, each one acting as the starting gun for a specific cellular response. Once our ligand has triggered the starting gun by binding to its receptor, we enter the second stage of the race, signal transduction. This is where the baton gets passed along a series of intracellular signaling proteins or cascades. Think of this as the runners in our relay race, with each runner representing a protein phosphorylation or other post-translational modification. As the baton gets passed along, the signal often gets amplified to ensure the message is loud and clear. This amplification is like a cheering crowd, boosting the signal to make sure it reaches its destination. But cells don't just respond to one signal at a time. They integrate signals from different pathways, much like a race coordinator overseeing multiple races. This crosstalk between different signaling pathways allows cells to respond appropriately to complex stimuli. Once the baton has been passed and the crowd has cheered, the signal is transmitted to the nucleus or other cellular compartments. This is where changes in gene expression, protein synthesis, or other cellular activities take place. It's like the victory celebration at the end of the race, marking a successful relay. Finally, we reach the cellular response, the end result of all this activity. Depending on the specific pathway and the context of the signaling event, this could include changes in cell growth, division, metabolism, migration, or other functional activities. There are three main types of signaling pathways. Autocrine, where the signaling molecules act on the same cell that released them. Paracrine, where the signaling molecules act on nearby cells. And endocrine, where signaling molecules, often hormones, are released into the bloodstream to act on distant target cells. There are numerous signaling pathways, including the MAPK pathway, PI3K/AKT pathway, and WNT signaling pathway, each playing a crucial role in maintaining cellular homeostasis and coordinating the functions of different cell types within an organism. However, when these pathways malfunction, it can lead to a variety of diseases, from cancer to neurodegenerative disorders and metabolic disorders. So, the next time you marvel at the complexity of life, remember the intricate communication network of signaling pathways, the silent runners passing the baton in the great cellular relay race.